Alright guys, so this is our rebuild kit. This is just a little short video. Now this rebuild kit is a TCI Automotive part number 448900 C6 Pro Super Kit for 1977 and up C6s. So let's open her up and see what we got to work with here. Alright, for starters, we got our complete gasket and seal kit. This is a TCI 360,000, I guess will be the part number, 36 and 4 zeros. Transcat installation kit for C6 transmissions. This is going to be all new bushings, which I will change if required. High flow filter, and it looks like a new separator plate. A couple of springs and seal kit. As I was saying, this has our check balls, specific drill sizes, our separator plate for the valve body, and a full shift kit essentially. New modulator valve. Excellent, because our modulator valve needs to be replaced anyway. Alright, that is excellent. And then we have all the basics. So we have race clutches and steels, more race clutches and steels, and a brand new band. So that is going to be excellent for putting this transmission together. So now, knowing what the kit entails, there are things that I don't have to save out of the old transmission parts. We're not just going to throw everything away though. We're going to go through it methodically, make sure we get everything replaced as we can, and then we are going to go through the parts, keep whatever good stuff is there, because I'm a pack rat when it comes to it, and that good stuff may serve a new build on something else completely. So for now, this stuff can go back in the box safe and sound. So now, knowing what we have for a kit, all this stuff on the bench, I can go through it, eliminate what we don't need, and it just gives me less cleaning, which I very much like. Well, like I said, just a short video to show what we've got for a kit to put in this transmission. Next time you see it, we'll have components cleaned and be ready to strip down the valve body and modify it, as well as the case over here. The case will be cleaned, and we will hopefully have fresh paint on it and the extension housing. Alright, from Dave at Days of Glory Shop Works, thanks for checking out the video.